Welcome back to Nerd Chic. I want to talk to you about the good and the bad and the ugly of finding things at places like stores called like Five Below. And I love Five Below. I find all kinds of stuff there. And I'm going to show you some good things, some bad things about Five Below, just so you know what you're getting into. So the first thing is, I got this from Five Below, and it's really awesome. As a matter of fact, I was like really excited about it because I saw it online. Very same brand and everything. This tripod that actually, or this stand that actually turns your phone and follows you and all your action with a 360-degree view tracking tripod deal. I really wanted this before, finally got it. It was like $100 online when I first saw it, and I got it for what I thought was gonna be $5, but it turns out it's $10. They repriced it. It's a Five Below tricky deal. It's not $5. You have to pay $10 there. Not everything at Five Below is below $5 anymore, but is this worth $10? Yeah, it's better than paying $100. It's app integrated and everything, and I'm going to use it. I'll do another video on it as I do a reveal later on how that works. Here's another tricky thing about Five Below. Marvel. They've got Marvel movies, and look, it's Blu-ray and digital code. What? That's crazy. If you can get digital codes for $5 instead of buying it online for $17.99 right now, what a steal until you open it and you find this thing on it. Look at that. You see that? What's that tell you? This has been used. And then on the back, even though it's been plastic wrapped, it's a little sneaky deal. It was right where you wouldn't be able to read it. It has this, it says previously enjoyed movie. Here it is. It says previously enjoyed, satisfaction guaranteed, any issue call this number. Tricky. Shame on you. You hid this right across the barcode so it wouldn't be seen right there, and we didn't look at it. Very, very tricky deal. This is not a digital code. The digital code is definitely not inside. They should put that sticker right over the digital code space. This has been previously viewed. So this is a used Blu-ray. Five Below is selling used videos now, and I just want to put out there, guys, don't be tricked. This is happening in grocery stores and chains or wherever. You can find those used videos. Be careful. It says digital code. It's not. Look very closely and see if it has a sticker on it like that. So too good to be true even for Five Below. And I will say this. Even Walmart has some funky things going on with the codes. Even though codes they're in the right time. I've gotten videos, and I told them I was going to do a vlog on it whenever I returned it because I didn't get my money back. But they have videos that say digital code. It's within the date, and then the digital code is supposed to print out on your receipt, and it won't print out on your receipt. And they say, ooh, sorry, they changed their mind, but it's within the date. Guys, you can't return those videos once you open it and there's no digital code inside and it's not on your receipt. So you're stuck with a movie. Be careful. Be careful. If it's $5 or whatever and it looks too good to be true with a digital code, it probably is too good to be true. And be careful getting it. Just know you may lose your money. So that's at Walmart and Five Below. And again, of course, not everything at Five Below is 5 and below. It's 10 now and below. So there you go. But this is a win. This, not so much. I don't need the Blu-ray and I don't want used. What I really wanted was the digital code. Learned my lesson. So anyway, thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Hopefully that helps you with your cheap finds and buys at Five Below, Walmart, and others. And as you continue forward in your entertainment, consider subscribing to our channel. Check out our website at askthenerd.net and come on over to Reddit. We got a subreddit over there called the Nerdiverse. You're welcome there. We do NFT drops. That's right, non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. If you want to get some, you're going to have to get in. Boom.